Our birthday list begins with a smiling Tate Kidwell. What a marvelous picture right there. Big Tate. He's turning the big number one. He may have been out at the racetrack right there because he's celebrating in Chanute.
Next we have Judith Aspen Kerr turning 2. That is such a cute photo. I love the little bow on her head.
Got a great smile on that kiddo right there. Maggie Swank is celebrating her 7th birthday. Miss Maggie, I hope you had a great Christmas and I hope you get to enjoy your birthday. She's in Garland.
Nolan Sparks is turning 11 from Baxter Springs. Happy birthday, Nolan.
Tight haircut right there, man. I like that. Ryan Herlocker. Rylan's celebrating her 11th birthday as well. Rylan, she is in Girard.
Next we have Zane Imhoff, turning 17 from Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, like the Puma hoodie.
Happy birthday, young man. 17, my goodness. Ricky Edwards, let the party commence as Ricky is celebrating the big 21. And Ricky, I want you to know that no matter how old you get, these birthday wishes always come with love from Mom. Ricky is in Pittsburgh.
Next we have Casey Carr turning 27 from the town of Moran.
Michael O'Banion celebrating a 35th birthday. I would love to know the backstory to that picture right there and the look on Michael's face. That is awesome. Michael turning 35 in Pittsburgh, and once again, I reiterate, it doesn't matter how old you are. If birthday wishes are passed along and they come with love from Mama, you know that you've done everything right, Michael. Happy birthday to you.
Next we have Jared Earl turning 35 from the town of Jasper.
Keep going. There's somebody else in that picture that I want to recognize as well.
Oh. Jared and Laura Earl are celebrating their 8th anniversary. That is wonderful.
Okay, so Bronte, you get the method behind Jared's madness, right? He's not going to forget Laura's anniversary.
Despite it being his birthday.
Bingo.
Wow.
Smart man right there. Smart man. Well played, Jared and Laura. I bet you he has not forgotten one in 8 years. I feel confident in that. Brooke Powell celebrating number 39. Brooke, a very happy birthday to you. This comes with love from Mom and Dad. Brooke is in Pittsburgh.
Next we have Pamela Ann Leith turning 58 from Joplin. Special message from your sweetie, James.
That'd be a big Christmas tree to hang those on.
Definitely.
Be a big Christmas tree. Happy birthday, Pamela. Shayla Kellogg is celebrating a birthday. Shayla, a very happy birthday in Columbus.
And we have Gallon Higgins, also celebrating a birthday from Webb City.
And Lenny Harvey, a happy birthday to Mr. Harvey. The birthday party commences for him in Benedict.
Next we have an anniversary.
Whoa, my
44
goodness.
years for Clyde and Ginny Stalling out of Joplin. I think that's a family photo. It's a very nice family photo.
That is called a reunion now, if I've ever seen one. Congratulations to Clyde and Ginny. I hope that was a marvelous anniversary party. Bobby Mathis, happy birthday in Granby. Ben Drager, happy birthday in the bus. And speaking of the bus, that is where Todd Layson is celebrating as well. We're going to wrap it up with an anniversary wish going out to Floyd and Nikki Smith. They are celebrating their 57th anniversary. Congratulations to Floyd and Nikki. They are in Milo. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. And that's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Speaking of KOAMNewsNow.com, here's Bronte Sorosky with a very important birthday announcement.
You can be part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up, and you can get special deals from local businesses. So go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
In a nutshell, we'll